Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the cache, then open it again. And also I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Now, if the update didn't help you, we need to check if you have the latest version for your earbuds. So open HUAWEI Live application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them as a device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and at the left bottom we have update. Tap at this line, you check for updates, that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, at the bottom you will see a button, download and install, and you need to tap at that button. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step I recommend it to restart your phone. I use this earbuds with a phone, so I need to restart a phone. If you use it with another device, you need to restart that device. And then, if all of these methods didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So press and hold, firstly it starts blinking white, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding this button. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with a phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Now forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device. After that you will find this button at the top if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, is to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return, but on iOS 26 it doesn't work, so we need to only turn on and turn off. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them. At the device list you don't need to use connectional button, just tap on them. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!